Alright, welcome back to Happy Tutorials, Happy Aptitude Learning Tutorials. So we saw the interview question for the SQL. This is in continuation towards the series, the SQL series and the interview questions which I have encountered. So I'm just sharing my experience and the lessons learned over here. So first of all, you should be very patient and ask for your time from the interview to get the questions answered, because this was a very tricky question. I thought they are asking about the total number of elements using the joins which we are expecting from both the tables, but then they were also asking me about the total number of rows expected. All right, so whenever you're calculating the total number of rows expected from the each table, you have to be very peculiar about the common occurrences of the number of times of the elements. Alright, so we just saw about the inner join and the left outer join in the previous video. Let's see the output for the right join in this series. So when you apply the right join on both the tables, in any of the tables, what is expected? In the right join, we expect all the elements from the right table and only the mutual elements from the left table, right? So here, if you see, we have two tables called demo table having only single column, which is numbers. So it has 7 elements, and then if I show you demo db2, it has 6 elements. All right, so 2 and 4 are duplicates present in demo db table 2 twice, and if you see, if you watch it carefully in demo A table, you will see 3 duplicates of 4 in demo A. All right, so now while performing the right join, let us see what is the output. So if I run select a dot star comma b dot star from demo A, right join demo B on a dot numbers, joining it on a dot numbers and b dot numbers, so we get to see 10 rows. Why we are getting 10 in right and we were getting 11 in left join? So if you see, there is no 3, the value 3 is missing in the right table. So since the right join is going to fetch all the rows from the right table and only the mutual rows from the left table, right, the logic remains relevant and stays the same. So I'm getting one row. So I'm getting, we saw one row for value 1 row is present in both the tables, so we get one row. Now for value 2, we see one row in right table and 2 rows in left table, right? So Cartesian product will be it is going to give me what? 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. Okay, so we are getting 2 rows. Now talking about 4 again. 2 values present in the right table and 3 values present in the left table. So 2 times 3 would be 6. So the 4 is going to give me 6 rows. All right, and then it will also include the null values. So we only see one row present in both the tables for the null value, so we get one null row as well. So if we perform the total on the total number of expected rows in this table, we get to see 1 for value 1, 2 rows for value 2, 6 rows for value 4, and 1 row for null. So total is 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So we get the value output as 10. Alright, hope you liked it. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye-bye.